Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. In today's video I have a Missoma jewelry unboxing video. Now hope you guys like this kind of unboxing videos. I'm really excited to show you guys what I have picked from Missoma, and just get yourself comfortable, get a cup of tea or coffee or a snack. You guys can see the windows outside. It is really miserable weather. It is a Sunday, and normally I don't film videos on a Sunday. I like to literally take a rest and just chill and relax my mind. However, I've been so busy. Like honestly, November was such a crazy month for me, and I've been so busy with work. And also now we are in December. Of course the weather's like this, and of course I'm so busy work-wise, and yeah, this is the only day, the only time I can film for you guys and show you what I have picked from Missoma. Now if you guys don't know, Missoma is a jewelry brand. I don't know if they're British jewelry brand. However, this is one of my many purchases from Black Friday. They had a Black Friday sale, and of course I've been seeing loads of influencers wearing Missoma and talking about it, and I was like, you know what, I really like the jewelry and I feel like I need to get something for myself. So without any further more rambling, let's just open the box. And to be honest, you guys, if you guys can see it, I've already opened the box, and I already have seen the pieces. However, I've put them back in the packaging to show you guys and for you guys to see the full experience if you purchase a Missoma jewelry. So they come in a small box, obviously. Well, I have purchased 2 items actually from them. So you open it up. I removed my address, just trying to open it up together with you guys, and yes, there we go. Can you guys see that? So this is the box. Inside you got Missoma. To be honest with Missoma, I really like the jewelry. Now I've always seen the jewelry back in the days, and I was like, oh my god, the jewelry is really nice and very simple, and also very like fashionable as well. So yeah, I just take the plunge and ordered something from them. So this is how it looks like. Comes in a nice tissue. So I'm gonna take off the tissue off camera because I hate the sound of tissue on the camera. So here we go. These are the 2 boxes for Missoma, and let's just open this one first. And it comes in a nice little cute box, nice soft matte finish. Says Missoma, very simple, very basic, and I really like the boxes. They're really quite nice. I did not expect they come in jewelry boxes. Well, the price that you pay for, I think they should come in jewelry box, which is quite nice, and obviously you can store them forever and stuff. And let's just open the first one. It is empty. The reason why it's empty is because I'm wearing it right now at the moment, and this is the lovely necklace I am wearing right now. Now I'm gonna do some close-ups for you guys as well. You guys can see, because obviously you guys can not see that properly. This is the first item I've picked up, and this is this kind of simple. Now this chain has this kind of bubbles, which is really lovely and very nice. Gives this chain a nice detail and something uniqueness. Came in this lovely little pouch, not pouch, like this kind of thing, tray that you store it. And yeah, so this is how it comes like, and I'm gonna obviously show you guys some close up how it looks like, and also get the exact name of the necklace. So this is called the short bubble chain necklace, and it's a sterling silver. I really like how this looks like. It looks very nice and kind of plain and simple, also not too much on your face. It's just the perfect like size as well. Now it says short, however I was wondering, oh my god, I hope it's not really like a choker kind of short necklace. No, it's perfect length for me. It looks very nice on like tops like this, on t-shirts and on vests, and I really like the closure as well. The closure, you can make it shorter or longer, so got a really nice adjustable things as well, and it's just very plain and basic. And honestly, my last necklace I had, which was like an evil eye necklace, it broke. So then I got it from Amazon actually, and it broke. So I wore this honestly constantly. I know I never took it off. This one also, I'm never gonna take it off. I'm gonna shower with this. I'm gonna literally sweat in this. I'm gonna go to the gym with this. I'm gonna do everything with this, because this is just my everyday necklace. I'm not gonna take off at all, and I really like it. It's not too heavy either. It's just a very thin chain necklace, which I really like and enjoy, and I'm really happy with this and how it looks like. I think it also comes in gold as well, but mine is a sterling silver. So this is the first thing I've got from Missoma. And now the second thing for Misoma is in this little box, and yes, the item is inside in here. I'm gonna open with you guys as well. And is it this one? No, hang on. This is the wrong box. This is the correct box. This is the second box for Misoma, and let's just open it again. And what do we have? There is a small pouch inside. Very lovely pouch, so you can travel with this, and again very lovely for storing the jewelry piece. And also this piece was the most expensive piece within this haul. I'm gonna get into pricing in a little bit, but this was the most expensive piece in this mini haul or mini unboxing. And let me just open the little pouch, and what do we have inside is this beaded chain necklace. Yes, I have a second necklace, and this is this beaded chain turquoise necklace. Now you guys, you might be thinking, why did you order this kind of bright blue color? Now this piece was launched back in 2020, I think, or maybe back in spring summer this year. I can't really remember, but I've seen this piece quite a while now. It's fairly new as well, to be honest, but when I saw this, I instantly wanted this for the summertime, and I didn't get my hands on it because I think it was sold out, specifically in this kind of colorway. I'm gonna get into colors in a little bit, but this was specifically sold out in this kind of colorway, and I really wanted it. And also the price at the time was a bit hefty. It's still very hefty as well for a piece of like this, but I really like how this looks. I'm gonna again insert some close-ups for you guys to see how it looks like. And can you guys imagine how this will look amazing on tops on summer holiday? Now this was my summer holiday piece I wanted, maybe for hopefully next year if we can travel. I really like how this looks like. Ooh, I'm gonna insert some close-ups for you guys. I really like the blue turquoise color. Now blue is one of my favorite colors, especially in turquoise stones, like this kind of beautiful bright blue stone. It's really lovely made. It looks very uneven as well, which I really like. It's not like kind of the basically these stones are not all similar, so they look all very different and all unique. They have been like put inside in the thread in different ways, like in 3s and 4s and 2s and 5s. I really like how they have designed this. I really like how this looks like, as if you have collected the stones from the beach and done this necklace yourself. So really happy how this looks like, and I just love this blue. I really like it. I'm just gonna put it like this because I'm wearing the other necklace. And let me just get into the name of the necklace, because I have the order in here. So this is called the short beaded necklace, and in terms of the colors, it comes in different type of colors. It comes in this blue color as well. It comes in different kind of stones, like a multicolor I've seen. It comes in a yellow color as well. Different bunch of different colors. I'm gonna leave a link down below for you guys to go and check it out. And in terms of the prices, so the beaded necklace originally is £129. However, I paid around £90 on it. I got 20% discount, and also the short bubble chain necklace. This was, I think, around 50 or 60 pounds. I can't really remember, but I paid around 40 pounds on that. Again, another 20% of discount on that because of Black Friday. And the prices are a bit up there in price. It's Misoma. It's not like a designer jewelry brand. However, it's more like a premium. Yeah, I must say it's more like a premium kind of jewelry brand, because the pieces are quite nice and lots of people like it, and I can see the quality is really good, because I have been wearing loads of jewelry, and I can see the differences of good jewelry and bad jewelry. Now I can definitely see that this kind of chain bubble necklace is a really good quality piece of jewelry, sterling silver, and you can feel it and you can see it as well, that this is a good quality piece of jewelry piece. And other pieces I've worn in the past, and they were not as good, because some of the silver goes brown very quick, it tarnishes very quick. However, this one I'm hoping I'm gonna keep forever. As I said, I'm gonna sleep with this, shower with this, sweat in this, and do all sorts of things with this, because I'm not gonna take it off. However, I feel like you should take it off in order to keep the longevity longer. But I'm just gonna keep them like this. And this one I'm really excited for my summer holidays. I can't wait to wear this and take pictures. It looks just amazing, and also comes in a bracelet as well. I'm wondering if you can put this as a bracelet. And the answer is yes, you can definitely wear this as a bracelet as well. Can you guys see? It's like a double stack of bracelets, which is very lovely as well for the holiday season. And I really like how this looks against my skin color and also with my evil eye bracelets. I get lots of questions again with my evil eye bracelets. I love in evil eye and Hamza eye. Basically, these are from Etsy, the two little evil eyes. I always get questions on my Instagram. They're from Etsy, by the way. They do also really nice jewelry, and I do like to wear jewelry now. I do like dainty pieces. I do like evil eye jewelry, or like kind of small simple pieces like these, because I quite like them how they look like on, especially if you're wearing a nice outfit and something like that. So really happy with those. And you guys, I feel like this was it with this unboxing of the Missoma jewelry pieces. Hope you guys all liked them. I'm really excited to try out more Missoma pieces because I do really like the pieces and I feel like they have amazing stuff. And also they have like a specific men's section jewelry, which is also very nice if you want just like a plain necklace or plain ring. They also got that as well on the website. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave the links of these specific jewelries I've got in the description box for you guys to go and check it out. Definitely check out the links down below, and I'm sure you guys will like them as well. So this was it with this video. Hope you guys all enjoyed it and liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more like unboxing videos like these, and also follow me on my Instagram at RamaBlogger. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video.